Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews. Today, I will tell you how to use Chat GPT-4 for free. After watching this video, you will be able to use Chat GPT-4 without any money. So let's start the video. There are two methods of using Chat GPT-4 for free. The first one is Bing Chat with IE. You can download this app from Play Store by searching Bing AI. This app has built-in Chat GPT-4 and it is free to use. In this app, you can avail all the features of Chat GPT-4, which is paid if you use outside this app. Bing AI can create anything for you. Bing AI can also create AI images and videos as well, so you don't need to buy any separate subscription for Chat GPT-4 version. This app has also some very cool features like daily news, reading section, and some very useful apps which will make your life easier after their use. Now moving towards second method of using free version of Chat GPT-4. Open Chrome and search Bard AI, then open this first website. This website has most of the features available in Chat GPT-4, so you can also avail these features for free. Chat GPT simple version only have information till 2021, but this Bard AI is up to date and can even give you information of events held yesterday. This AI updates on daily, weekly, and monthly basis and provide most correct information to the user. These both softwares are free to use, which help you in most of the daily routine works and makes your life easier. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one.